Alright y'all, we're back at my uncle's, and the objective of today is to shoot a doe. Tonight we are gonna go back and we're gonna set up in this field back here. There's the apple tree, and I think they come out pretty much every night. Today kind of cooled off quite a bit compared to yesterday, like 15 degrees drop. So I mean, good chance they'll be moving a little earlier today too. Kind of overcast. I love it. It feels really good. So we get out there, get in the tree, and get set up. So we're about 95 to 100 yards away from the apple tree. So I'm kind of hoping just catching them going there or coming back. We got this corner here which has a trail that I think they'll probably come out of, or they'll come out like further in front of me. I'm not exactly sure where they're coming from, but we'll see, I guess, tonight if they pop out. But about 100 yards. We just gotta wait until they come this way, I hope. But before it gets too dark for the camera. Fingers crossed. Just shot a doe. 55, 58 yards. She was 58 yards. She was catching our wind, and she was perfectly broadside, stretched out, and I thought, I don't think she's gonna come any closer, so I just shot.
Yeah. Alright, I'll grab a gun.